In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an email in Outlook. Scheduling emails can be a lifesaver, especially when you want to make sure your message is sent at the most optimal time without having to be at your computer. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Outlook on your computer and begin by composing a new email. This involves clicking on the New Email button, usually found at the top left corner of the screen. Once you have a new email draft ready, go ahead and fill in the recipient's email address. Don't forget to add a compelling subject line as well as the body of the email. Make sure everything is spelled correctly and formatted the way you want it to appear when it's delivered. Take your time to ensure your message is clear and concise. With the email content prepared, the next step is crucial. Direct your attention to the Send button, located typically at the top of your email window. But wait, don't click it just yet. Instead, hover your mouse over the small drop-down arrow positioned next to the Send button itself. Clicking this arrow will reveal a couple of extra options. From the drop-down menu, you'll see either Send Later or an option labeled Delay Delivery. Click on whichever option appears. This feature is what allows you to set a specific time and date for sending your email in the future. It might be a good idea to double check which version of Outlook you are using if you do not see these exact words, as the language might vary slightly. After you click into the scheduling option, you will encounter a new window where you can specify exactly when your email should be sent. You will need to set the desired date and time. Be sure to select a time that aligns with the recipient's availability, whether it's during their working hours or a moment when you know they are free to read your message. This ensures that your email is noticed promptly. Once you have settled on the perfect send time, click the OK button to confirm your selection. This finalizes the scheduling process. Now you can go ahead and hit the Send button. Don't worry, your email won't be sent immediately. Instead, it will remain in your outbox and will automatically be sent at the scheduled date and time that you specified. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled your email to be sent later. This simple yet effective tool can help you manage communication efficiently without having to monitor your emails constantly. I hope you found these instructions easy to follow and that they empower you to make the most of Outlook's scheduling features.